Consider the following methods which appear in the same class. Okay, just so you know, it has to say that, because if it didn't, you can say, well, the code's not going to run. It's kind of, some of you took AP Calc before where it was like, this is a twice differentiable function. That just means the second derivative exists, so then you can do the problem. That's kind of like this. It just means you can do the problem because it's in the same class. Okay, essentially. And then you're like, well, that's kind of obvious. It is, it's just, yeah. Just what AP does, so I have to do it. All right, so we have this non-static void method of slope right here. And if you run this method, it actually runs another method inside of it right here, which is totally legal. You've actually been doing that already with other methods, like because you've done print stuff. This one's just print fraction. All right, so first thing it's going to do is, let's see here. So let's, all right, so we're running this right here. So it's a method call of this. By the way, if you run a method, it's called calling the method for some reason. I mean, I guess if you call someone's name, you want them to do something. So maybe that's why they use that. But like, I feel like it should be like executed a method or ran a method. I don't know. It doesn't matter. But okay, so 1, 2, 5, 10. So it's going to be going right up here. These values are going to be 1, 2, 5, and 10. So x2 minus x1, that's going to be 5 minus 1. So this is going to be 4. This is y2 minus y1, which is going to be 8. Okay. And that means, so x change is going to be, this right here is going to be 4, and this right here is going to be 8. Okay. Then it's going to input these two values, the 8 and the 4, into the print fraction method, which is going to go here. Okay. This is going to be the 8, and this is going to be the 4. Okay, so the 8 and the 4 go into that method. They end up calling this method over here, and the 8 and the 4 follow along with that. If you notice, the name of this y change is not the same as this name right here. That is completely okay. It does not really matter. The only thing that matters is the value of the 8. That's where the 8 goes. All right, so that's 8. So this is going to be 8. This is going to be 4. So the answer is A, which 71% of you put. For the final answer. So the only thing that was confusing was the order here. So a lot of people did put C, but kind of see where that came from.